Hi there, everyone. So today I just want to share something with you whereby if you're looking for an extra income that you want to make online, or you're looking for a part-time job online basically. So this platform I'll be sharing with you, you don't need any capital to actually get started. You just need your knowledge basically. So let's just get into it. So the platform that we're going to be talking about today is Lionbridge. So Lionbridge is a platform whereby they actually outsource work. They actually provide people, no matter where you are all over the world, they actually provide you with certain jobs. So you matter will be in Africa, you in America, you in Asia, you in Europe, you in Australia. This is the platform whereby you can actually come and actually make some extra income on it. So for instance, I'm in South Africa at this moment. So I would want to search a job in Africa. Let's just check in Africa what jobs do they actually have for us in Africa. So as you can see over here, we got online map quality analysis, work from home, South Africa, English language. So if you're in South Africa, like how I am in South Africa, you can apply for this job. And this position, the position will allow you to work from home on a flexible schedule up to 20 hours per week, completing tasks that evaluate online mapping related information. Candidates for this position will need to have good research skills and a keen interest and understanding of local and national geography. So with this job, you will need to understand basically geography. I once applied for this job and I did terrible because I failed the exam. So once you apply for these jobs, there are certain things that there are certain procedures that you have to go through. First thing is first, you need to complete your profile. You need to upload your curriculum vitae. Once you have done that, then they'll actually get back to you to actually see that you actually qualify for this job. Once you qualify for this job, they will actually start sending you information, the requirements of what tools you actually need to do this job. And then from there, they will actually tell you, okay, since you qualify for this job, we will send you the tools, or should I say the study material. Then they will send you the study material. You need to learn the study material. And then after that, I think they will send you a short questionnaire whereby they will just ask you a simple question. I think it will take you approximately an hour just to complete that short questionnaire. But once you're done with that, you actually qualify to actually receive the study material. Because once you receive the study material, that means everything is looking up for you. But once you get the study material, you need to understand that an exam will follow up. It's not just study material and then it's work. An exam will follow up on that. So I've done the exam and it's quite long. So I'll just go to my email just to show you a basic description of what the exams involve. So over here, they send me an email like, thank you for continuing for your continued interest in the online map quality analysis role. Okay, my application is undergoing final review process and deemed suitable. Yes, thank you. So on Thursday, the 1st of March, you will receive the following: a pre-exam support. So they will give you like I said, you will do a pre-scanning. They will pre-scan you before you actually get the study material, which will be sent to your email. And on Friday, 2nd March, you will receive the following: rater qualification exam. You will receive a separate mail with a URL link to the exam. You will have 7 days to complete the full exam. So you actually have 7 days to complete this exam. You do not have to rush through it. So I've made that mistake whereby I have just rushed through the exam. I did not give myself time to actually study. Well, I did study, but I did not give myself the time to actually understand the exam, what was going on. I was just reading through the question and just answering, which was the wrong thing for me to do. So I made a lot of mistake when I was doing this. So I plead to you, take your time. I know some people want to complete the exam within 2 or 3 days. But like 7 days, that's way too long just for one exam. I know it's long, but it's worth it at the end of the day. So after you have completed the exam within the 7 days, you will actually have to wait, I think, another week if I'm not mistaken. I think if it's a week or 2 weeks, but everything has a process with them, so everything takes time. They say over here there are 2 parts to the exam. Stage 1 is theory, stage 2 is practical. You cannot progress to stage 2 without passing stage 1. So you need to pass stage 1 for you to go to stage 2. Like I said, the pre-scanning will be your first exam, and then the second exam will be the 7-day exam, whereby you write the exam test. So you need to understand that everything is provided for you on this platform. The study material, they will give you like a booklet, an online booklet, whereby they will give you like small questionnaires, examples of what the exams will be like. So you will be well prepared for the exam. So for most of the people, I don't know why they fail it, but why from my thinking, I think why they fail is because they rush into it. They just want to complete it as fast as they can, which is the wrong thing to do. Over here, we also got Zulu, personalized internet accessor. So for all my Zulu speaking people, this is for y'all. For me, I probably would fail this because my Zulu is bad. I speak Zulu well, but when it comes to writing Zulu and reading Zulu, it's quite bad. It's bad. So let's just see what actually is needed for this job, like the description, the requirement that's needed for this job offer. Okay. So countries, you have to be in South Africa. That's my home country. So if you're in South Africa and you're watching this video, you need to look into this job. So program description. Are you looking for a job that gives you the opportunity to work with one of America's top 100 most trusted companies while also increasing your income from the comfort of your home? This is the beauty about this. You're actually at home while you're doing this. You don't need to be in an office or sitting somewhere else where you don't want to be. From the comfort of your home, as long as you have access to internet, this is what you should be doing. So what does the job involve? In this job, you will be reviewing online search results in order to improve the content and quality. You will be required to provide feedback and analysis on content found in search engines results and provide rating on their relevance to search terms used. Another aspect of this role will involve reviewing the language used in the search results by examining grammar, tone, culture, relevance. So this is just straightforward and simple. The only tool basically once you've got this job is you're going to be using Google. So everything evolves around Google. It's just research and bring back the feedback to whichever platform that they want to give you to actually put in all the work in. So requirement, you must be living in South Africa for at least for the last 5 consecutive years. So you have to be in South Africa for like 5 consecutive years. You must have familiarity with current and historical business, media, sport, news, social media, cultural affairs in South Africa. Speak fluent English and isiZulu. So you need to speak fluent English and Zulu. Work from home, office environment. So like they say, work from the comfort of your home. No stress, no biggie. Must use a Gmail account as primary email address. Must own and use a smartphone, Android version 4.1 or higher, or iPhone version 4S or higher. So the only thing you're just going to need is your smartphone. You don't need to have a whole lot of computers and stuff like that. As long as you have your smartphone and access to internet, you are on your way to making good money with Lionbridge. High-speed internet. You need to have good connectivity of internet. So if you're in an area whereby your internet is poor, you want to be having like problems, because now some jobs require like research like now. They tell you like, we need the research now, so you need to send it to them now. So if you have bad connectivity of internet, that's going to be a problem. You're going to lose out on a lot of cash. So like I've showed you, this is just a straightforward example. Let's go to America. Let's see what they got for us in America. Okay, so nothing is found in America. Oh. My mistake. Okay. So in America, we still got online maps quality analysis, personalized internet accessor. That's Iraq. So they even got jobs for people in Iraq. Spain, if you're in Spain, you should look into this. United States, Urdu, personalized internet accessor. So even if you speak Urdu, I mean, they cater for so many people who speak different languages and from different countries. So wherever you are in the world, you should check this out. This is an online platform that you need to check out. So many people are actually doing these jobs and they're actually making a lot of money. It's not a full-time job. It's a part-time job, because in a day, I think they require you to work like 1 hour a day. And with that 1 hour, you will be making approximately $15 to $16 for 1 hour. In a week, you'll be working 20 hours a week, if I'm not mistaken, yes. So in a week, you'll be working like 20 hours a week. So that's like Monday to Friday. You can put in extra work, but they're only counting 20 hours a week. They are so strict on the rules. That's one thing I also like about them. And so like, yeah, guys, this, as I show you my email that they actually sent me, and I've explained to you that this, you have a shot that I actually took when I actually was doing this exam some time ago. So this was the snap that I took. I don't know if you can actually see it. Okay, I don't know if you can actually see it. It's cut off, so it's okay. It's okay. So like I said, guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave the link in this description box. So check this platform out. So the only requirement, like I said, you just need your access to internet. You need to understand, okay, depending on the job description, like for instance, if you're in Africa, if you want to apply for this online map analysis work, you need to understand geography. And also, like the other ones, you need to be in South Africa for a certain amount of time. If you're out of this country, you just go to the description and check basically what requirements are required for you. So no matter where you are in the world, this is the platform that you can actually make bucks. This is a part-time job. It's just a part-time job. Make that extra cash. So if you like this platform and actually want me to show you more platforms like this that you actually do not need any capital to actually start off, please comment, like, and please subscribe now to my channel so I can actually start sharing more of this kind of content. I know a lot of people want to make that extra bucks online, so please hit me up so I can keep on pushing more content like this for y'all online. But please just check this Lionbridge platform. I will leave the link in the description, and from me, I will see you in the next clip. Peace out.